We are going to cover 7 great life lessons I have learned from Jim Rohn, which have raised my life to another level, and I am quite sure can raise your life too. One of the most effective ways to improve your life is to find a mentor, learn from his teachings, and then take action. In this day and age, you don't have to look for your mentor in person anymore. Your mentor can be found in books, videos, or audios like this one, so it won't cost you much, but it could bring you a fortune. Jim Rohn was one of the best America's business and life philosophers. Learning from him is a real blessing no matter what you want to do. Improve your personal relationship, your financial situation, your communication skills, or even your health. We will start with principle number 1. It all starts with you. The economy might be bad, you might be coming from a disordered family, the politicians may be corrupted, but all that doesn't count much. What I've learned from Jim Rohn is that I am the one who can improve my life. I can improve my financial situation by learning new skills. I can improve my health by doing sports and making better choices in my diet. I can improve my relationship with my spouse by openly talking about the problems. So what changes are you going to do today? Principle 2, never stop learning. Once you stop learning, you fall in a pool of mediocrity. What I have learned from Jim Rohn is that it doesn't matter where you stand. What matters is where you want to go. So if you want to move forward in this fast-moving world, take courses for self-development, read motivational books, learn some essential internet skills. Start thinking as an entrepreneur, even if you don't have your own business. That means constantly learning new things in order to improve the life around you. Learning is an oxygen for your success. Principle 3, stop procrastinating. When starting a new thing, like learning new skills on the internet or learning a new language, you might feel overwhelmed at the beginning. But everything is easy as long as you break it down. Make one step at a time. Remember how you have learned to ride a bicycle. You have done it not by watching it, but by doing it. But what is easy to do is also easy not to do. It is easy to say, I am too old or too young to start a business. It is easy to say, I don't have time to do some sports. Stop procrastinating. Make just the first step, then the second, the third one, and then just keep going. Principle 4, take care of yourself. Jim Rohn taught me that in order to enjoy life and achieve success, you must feel good in your body and be in good shape. So get the gym today, yes today, not tomorrow, because that would be the beginning of procrastination. Take caution with what you put in your mouth. Build your body's strength. We are only given one body in life. It is up to us to take proper care of it. Principle 5, constantly work on your mind. Life is short. You cannot afford one day not to work on yourself. Doing affirmations, reading motivational books, watching webinars, that is the food for your mind. Your mind will take you from where you are to where you want to be. So, never allow your mind to starve. Principle 6, express your feelings. Even if you are not a good speaker, if you are talking with feeling behind your words, you will win the audience. Learn to express your feelings through your communication, and people will always want to hear what you have to say. Principle 7, start making good habits. Success is made of a selection of good habits, taking action every day. One good habit I have learned from Jim Rohn is starting my working day always with the most difficult task of that day. That means that after I finish it, everything else gets easier. Create habits that can improve your life, like making to-do lists and begin checking tasks off of your list. Here's a pro tip on building habits. Always start with only one habit at a time, and when you master it, move on. This concludes this segment on Jim Rohn's life lessons, which drastically improved my life. The most important thing to do now is to take action. If learning is an oxygen of your success, taking action is the blood of it. Educate yourself, stop making excuses. Learn new skills, make one new habit, and you will be on a fast track to your success.